I'm videoing. Flex it. Flex it. I can't actually see you because the sun's right behind. All right, there we go. Take a picture. Ready? Nice. You were making $9 or $10 an hour in high school? You're rich. Oh my goodness. I was making, I think I started at $585. Senior part-time assistant to the clerk.
Like I said, there's a big cove around there, lots of scenic views.
Okay.
Should see some wildlife.
Cool. Maybe I should have left my car keys. I don't remember having a kayak before that had holes in it. Yeah, I was gonna say it makes sense, I guess.
Never have to worry about them sinking.
That's awesome. I might get some water for me. Yeah. Should we go to our guide? I'm glad you like him. Sweet looking? Oh, sweet little kid. Wait, are we? Are you? Oh, yeah. Wow. Is it really? Well, straighten out your hips. But don't dump your boat. Whoa, don't pull me over. Yeah. Perfect. Whew. A little sensitive blue eyes. This is fun. It's so peaceful. Yeah. I love being in nature, being physical, relaxing at the same time. It's great.
You know what happens if you don't get wet?
You don't get your butt wet? Just put a bathing suit on. It's true, we should have brought towels.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
But that is a nice thing about a canoe. Because they'll make me punch in the middle.
Yeah. Well, in the other kayaks, their butts probably aren't wet. They don't have self-bailing ones, maybe.
Let's test it out when I bring it up.
Smack them in the butt.
Excuse me, it's your butt. How wet is your butt?
Well, you've been flirting with him so much.
Flirting.
He wouldn't,
Please.
I'm just kidding.
I didn't giggle near as much as that waitress in your burger.
What? What burger? Oh, when I was on FaceTime in Vegas? Whatever. She was old enough to be my mom.
Waitresses out there paid to giggle.
She didn't seem like the type that was paid to giggle.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Okay, there was a bunch of water in my Nalgene hole.
It's okay.
Yeah, just don't fall. If you fall, don't grab me. I'll come in and get you after I take my car keys out of my pocket.
And so we were, Jessica loves Vegas, and I was like, yeah, if I can enjoy Vegas, like anybody can.
You?
know?
Yeah.
I said, you'll make it what you want, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's one of the biggest things about Vegas.
Yeah, and
You
so
make it what you want it to be from.
anywhere like that, right?
Yeah, if you want to invoke. So we walked in this one bookstore where it's like super rare books where you can buy like one of the original copies of the Declaration of Independence for like $36,000.
Yeah.
Super nerdy stuff to super whatever stuff.
Well, so, but yeah, I was like, yeah, you can enjoy it. And so you gotta go to a show, Cirque du Soleil, and
Yeah.
Jessica was like, yeah, the Miss Air, the original one, like that's really worth it. Or, and I was like, you could go to
the Chippendales or whatever.
No,
the Thunder from Down Under. Ooh, hey.
The Cirque du Soleil show that's like adult.
Oh yeah,
X
yeah.
Or whatever.
I don't know what that's called.
It was something like
All
that.
I know is every time I get off a plane in Vegas, I'm greeted by these ripped dudes that aren't wearing clothes. And that's the ads in the Vegas airport.
Yeah, well, there's one airport in the world. Every other airport is...
It's technology advertisements. It's Barracuda.
No,
it's
every other
SAP
airport
software.
In the world is a woman in a low-cut shirt.
Oh, no, that's every
buying
advertisement.
coffee or...
That's every advertisement.
Right, that's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry for the one advertisement with inappropriately flashy.
Hey, I'm okay. They look really good. So.
Yeah. Anyway, so what I was telling her, I was like, you should go to that one. And Jessica was like, what in the world? I was like, I'm just curious. Like,
Yeah, what is it?
I've seen Cirque du Soleil. How do you turn it into an adult only?
Whoa, look at those people up there on the ledge.
Oh.
He's dangling his feet off that rock up there.
I just, like, I wouldn't want
Or
to
not
be the
people, I
first
guess that's one guy.
person to jump off the ledge, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, you want to know where
And
those rocks end.
This isn't like Painkiller where it's straight down.
Right.
That's a pretty thing over there.
Where?
Watching the sunset. You have to look directly at the sun.
Oh, yeah.
It smells so nice out here.
Yeah? Because you're away from cars and pollution and 4-year-olds. That's kind of, that looks pretty precarious from this angle. If you fall in, we got you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, you got to avoid all these rocks down here, though.
Yeah, just try not to die.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to try not to die first, and then you can save us. Yeah, you would do a 2K in like a little over 6 minutes, probably. Yeah. So like on an erg, a good time for a guy to row would be sub 7 minute. So, and then if you have multiple people in one boat, you're gonna get faster than that. So in the low 6s would be a good time for a boat. We racing? I don't want any of this? Is that what you're saying? I can push you. Anything's allowed in a race. You guys push each other in cross country, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, see?
It gets really physical.
Throwing elbows and...
Yeah, especially like at the start.
Yeah.
It'll get really physical.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
You guys got a nice sunset tonight.
Yeah, I was worried because of all the clouds.
Luckily the sunset's like perfect here, right when the sun is.
Here, stop for just a second. I'm gonna take your picture.
I get a picture of both you guys if you want.
That's all right. I just want one of them for her. But I appreciate it. We're out here for her birthday, so
Oh, well happy birthday.
it's like right. The sun's like right behind your head. There we go. Very cool. That's awesome. Pretty awesome. What'd you say?
Every Friday in the summer, there's fireworks from the Gaylord.
Oh, do they really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You can rent a kayak and sit on the lake and watch the fireworks.
That's pretty awesome.
You should definitely.
There she goes. It just flew a circle around us. It took off and it just came right back to where it left. How's it going? Good. Successful. Oh. All right, thanks. That's awfully kind. Ugh. Now it's just my shorts that are wet and not my shoes. Ugh. Woo.